Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to delete course in Duolingo app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to delete a course in Duolingo, all you need to do is simply tap open your Duolingo app. So once you open your Duolingo app, you will end up in this interface where you can see a flag icon. There you can see that there are two courses that you have selected. So if you have not selected more than one course, then you cannot delete any course. If you have two, then simply tap on the profile icon and there you can simply tap on the settings option. Now once you tap on settings, you will end up in this interface where all you need to do now is simply tap on the courses option. So once you are in the courses section, you can find the selected courses and a minus symbol in front of it. So once you tap it, you can simply tap on the remove option, which will allow you to delete that particular course. So to check if you are done, simply go back and hit that done button, and you can see that now only one kind of flag is being seen on your profile. So this way you can delete a course on Duolingo. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.